Happy holidays from Advanced Camping. Today we are going to look at this beautiful new 2025 Roadtrek SS Agile. This is on the 144 Sprinter, just over 19 feet long, and gets exceptional fuel mileage with the Mercedes twin turbo diesel and the 9-speed G-tronic transmission. Some of the things that I love about this Roadtrek as we walk in here, it is one of the few that has a power sliding door still. So you've got a power sliding door, you've got a power step. You can control it with the key fob, the remote. As the door opens, this nice step platform slides out, making it super easy and safe to get in and out of this van. Come on in, let's take a look. The second thing I love about this van camper is they've utilized every little bit of space. Up here, you can turn around these Mercedes seats. They're nicely retrimmed with Roadtrek badging, nice, soft, comfortable leatherette there. And check out this little table they have built in. I think this is the most clever design. You can now have a small meal up here if you want to leave your back end made into a bed, or there's a larger table for the rear at the power sofa. Easy to stow, great for a little cocktail hour or a full meal if you'd like. Or of course, you can always eat outside as well. Next, this Roadtrek Agile has a convection microwave oven. And look at all of this kitchen space. If you love to cook, this might be the next van camper for you. Induction stove, built-in refrigerator with a little freezer, and check out this pantry. Slides out, very convenient. Again, Roadtrek has engineered with all of your comforts in mind. Next, we're going to find this bathroom. It is a nice size bathroom. Jacob even fits in there. He's a great model for today. As we move back, you will find a comfortable power sofa. This converts into it's a power sofa sleeping space north and south for two people. Easy to convert with the touch of a button. Of course, you have air conditioning. You have 300 amps of solar on the roof, 600 amp hours of lithium batteries, an underhood generator, and everything you would need for your next adventure.